coming on with lights. And now after replacement of the charging ports, we're able to have lights. We remove it, then it goes off, then in and out now. So that means charging port is working now, right? Before us again is another little device. This is a mouse, a wireless mouse. What is this challenge? It has a charging port here. It has an inbuilt battery that is being charged through this ports. Is a V8 charging port, and then we're going to be losing it and quickly see how we can get that fixed. Use it and see how it's fixed. This here, right? This is the battery. So let me just detach the battery. It's removable. Then there's another screw. Just quickly remove this screw. Then shine it here. Alright, the board can be removed. We're going to be applying heat, so as a result, we need to remove this screw and then position all of this aside. Battery. Then check how we can remove this. Have a replacement for it. Here are some of samples of charging ports that we can use. Have that already. I'm just quickly pick one that is suitable for that port. Very, very easy work to do. So we are going to be engaging a workstation. So I'm putting it down so that I can see which one is better. Now let us remove it first and see which one is there. The one it has there. So when we remove it, we'll be able to know. We can exactly pick the right one. While so we're going to apply a little bit of soldering paste. Just to transfer the heat so that the heat transfer can be a very good one. So I'll allow the workstation to get heated up so that I can remove the charging ports. You see the soldering paste is already getting melting. It's dissolving it, it's melting it rather. So apply the heat. Now see, already removed. Now we will observe the type it is, so I will know which one we are picking from the samples that I have here. Okay, so I will pick. Do I have this type? Yeah, I think I have it. I have it. I have it. I have it. All right. So that is it. So I'll just yeah, here it is. So let's apply that and put it there. So still engage the very simple. I'll engage the paste soldering paste so that the heat can evenly get distributed. You find it difficult to position the apply the heat again. let me ensure that the holes are opened. Okay, okay, I see. The one I picked shouldn't have had a pin. All right, this is the one I should have. This, okay, so there won't be confusion. Let me just position it to the side. To the side. Let me check. Sorry, one I'm putting there. Okay, exactly. This is correct. This is the one I should put. All right, so I'll apply the. Okay, so by now must have been fixed. Let me just apply some cool breeze to it. So we check if it works. I have a USB cable here. Plug it to my system, then see if that fixes this issue. All right, I need to put in the battery so that we'll see if that resolves the charging port issue. Okay, there's the battery plug. Then put in the battery. Check if that resolves it. All right, let's check the charger now if the charging issue has been resolved. Before it wasn't, you know, coming on with lights. And now after replacement of the charging ports, we're able to have lights. We remove it, then it goes off and in and out now. So that means charging port is working now. Right. This is Nitty-Gritty Electronic Repairs. If this video has helped you in any way, please you like for you to like our channel, like this video, comment on it, and share it. If you have any questions that you need to ask, please you can put that in our comment section, and then we'll do well to respond to you. Thank you, and see you.